Welcome to the channel, guys. So today we are going to do something a little fun. I shot this makeup look, and if you want to see the tutorial of this look, I've posted it on my Instagram. And the reason I'm filming this video over here is I'm going to do my hair. Okay. The thing is, I just washed it and it's just not coming for this entire look. I have done a bold red lip, and it's not giving that much Christmas vibe kind of a thing. So I'm just going to curl my hair routine, and I thought just why not shoot it. So here we are. Keep on watching. I'm gonna be using this hair wand by Truman. I think I have this for almost a year now, and it's brand new as it came. I have not overused it. It's perfect. It's beginner friendly. You can see I'm touching this over here because it's to hold while you're on the curl and everything. So I'm just gonna give you a tutorial on how I do it. I don't like overly done curls. I just like it a little wavy, or just which will make it look like it's done but not done, if that makes sense. So let's actually start. Before anything, I really want to wear my specs because my lens were not behaving and I can't see anything. So okay, I can see things better way. I look like a very bad plot of some movie, if you know what I'm trying to say. But let's not get into it. So I'm just going to separate my bangs because I love how twisted my bangs are naturally. I'm just going to take small section from here. I'm not combing anything, guys, because I don't know why. I just feel that it takes more moisture when I comb. So I'm just going to take this part and I'm just going to get into this shape. और मैं ज़्यादा देर नहीं रखने वाली हूँ क्योंकि जैसे मैंने बोला मेरे को ज़्यादा waves नहीं चाहिए. I'm just gonna hold it to this point, this gray area, and I think I've kept it on 200 degree, and इसका minimum degree is 180 or something. So ये भी ज़्यादा हो गया, मुझे इतने नहीं चाहिए थे. I'm just gonna open it, So you have the stand to keep the wand on. So I'm just going to take another section. ये tutorial है ही नहीं proper उसके लिए. I'm just getting this done for you're on a run towards an event and you just want to shoot something do with your hair something for within 5 minutes. Then this is something more. Jaldi I'm going to leave because I don't want that proper जो शादियों में curls आते वो. I hope guys you are liking my content, and I promise to be active over here. It's not going to be something that I just initiated and it's not going to be there, or I'm not going to shoot more content. I know the relevance I hold for the people who follow me on Instagram, so I really appreciate it, and I just hope that you guys enjoy the content that I'm making. I just want that to happen. इसको थोड़ा सा turn किया. It looks good. If it makes sense what I wanted to do.
It federally because I don't like it being overdone. Now I'm going to have to create a section over here because
Makeup tutorial is on my Instagram, and it's in collaboration with ProArt. I don't know if you have heard of that brand, but ever since I started makeup, that brand is something it's been there since. It's a cult classic, and I think the pro makeup artist would know the brand. So it's in collaboration with them. Guys, do check it out. Then I'm gonna be taking this hair cream by Loreal. ये I think मेरा दूसरा bottle है. This is so good. I don't know मतलब people have tried this or not, but this helps you in getting a good finish, and it says that it's a no haircut cream. I don't use any heat protector. I've even stopped using serum after this because it's so good. मैं इसको dammed hair में लगाती हूँ and just works out completely nice, fine for me. See, so it's not proper wavy or curls kind of a thing. It's something that I do when I have to run quickly. चश्मा उतार दिए because again I look like a bad plot. So this is the makeup. Go check it out on Instagram, and this is the hair routine. See you in the next video, guys. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. I'm sorry. See you in the next one. Bye. Thank you.